Guys, if you're new to the Fish Stalker channel, welcome. I got a little problem with a pro kicker today while I was out fishing today. It wouldn't tilt back up on me. I had to run it back in at 20 miles an hour with it down. So when I put it down and started trolling, I must have held this a little too long and it blew a fuse inside of the case, and it wouldn't, start button wouldn't work, or the tilt wasn't working. So I think I'll show you guys what was going on with it. It's kind of a hidden fuse, and it is buried under here. In the manual it shows 20 amp fuse. I just poked it out through here and kind of fished it out, poked out with a screwdriver. It's kind of a tight fit, guys, so kind of pull that out. Let's see, it's not real easy to come out, so but I will remove it one time and show you. So get a hold of that, and this is just a little cover on it. There it is right there. This high one is the main fuse. Like I said, the manual shows 20 amp. It had 15 amps, and this is the spare fuse. So it had 15 amp fuse in there. So if you held the trim a second too long or the starter too long, it popped the fuse. So it's something you might want to look at if you own a pro kicker, even if it hasn't happened yet, and swap it out to a 20 amp fuse. The wires are like 14 gauge, so I wouldn't even be afraid to put a 25 or 30 in there if it keep having issues for me. So, but yeah, that was the issue. No tilt, no start button, guys. Just snaps back on. You kind of gotta force it back in there. Seems like a lot of wiring for a 9.9 motor, but there obviously wasn't any melted wires. I smelt the blown fuse too. You could smell the plastic burnt. It smelled like burnt wiring almost. So yeah, it's a little difficult to just kind of force it back in there. And this one just tucks back in there. That's all they had at the factory, and that took care of it. So got my tilt back, got my start back, so it's all working now. So yeah, if you have that issue with your 9.9, I hope that helps you out. Go straight to the fuse. I would go ahead and check it, make sure they have the yellow 20 amp fuses in them, and swap them out if they have the blue 15s. I don't think they're enough amperage for the load on this. So, okay guys, hope that helps somebody out. I'll get this video out to you. If I get any other Mercury issues, big motor, small motor, I'll be sure to post them up so you have something to go by. All right, thanks guys, and please subscribe and check out the fishing videos too. There's a lot more tech on here too, so thanks guys. Oh, by the way, this is 2022 EFI 9.9. The older model pro kickers, I looked them up. They have the same fuse in the same location, as well as your 15 horse pro kicker too, guys. So just so you got that on for some information, guys. Thanks.